Hello everyone, I am super excited because I have a great project for you guys today. Welcome to Gazelle Creator Studio, my name is Uriel. Please subscribe to this channel because I will be bringing great projects, creativity, and inspiration. In today's video, I am collaborating with a group of talented crafters. As hosts, we have Audia from DIY with Audia and Lolly from Lolly D's Creations. As co-hosts, we have Lisa from Our Grey House, and as a guest host, we have Katie from Lady Red Crafting. The links to their channels and the playlist will be listed in the description box. For the first DIY, we will need a wooden tag, a wooden egg, a wooden bunny, wooden beads, and some paint. First, I will remove the beads and the string to paint the tag surface. Because I don't want full coverage, I will dilute the paint with water. I ended up doing 3 coats. Please wait until each coat dries before you decide to apply more coats. Next, I will attach a knife hook to the wooden egg to attach it at the end of the tag. Now it is time to paint the wooden egg using gold paint, as you can see here. The next step is to glue the bunny to the tag using tacky glue. I will use some clamps to hold it and let it dry. Next, I will reattach the string and use smaller wooden beads. The original wooden beads were too big, and I want the golden egg to stand out more, so I am using the smaller ones instead. Friends, please consider subscribing to my channel as I have more exciting DIYs coming soon that you don't want to miss. For the second DIY, we will need an egg-shaped wreath, a greenery branch, green ribbon, chunky yarn, and a friendly little bunny. The yarn is from Hobby Lobby and the rest of the materials are from Dollar Tree. This is an easy and simple project. First, we will wrap the chunky yarn around the wreath. Now that the yarn is wrapped around, I will make a knot and a loop to hang it. Also, as you can see here, I will bend the wreath to give it a more proper carrot shape. Next, I will attach the greenery branch to the wreath, but before I do that, I will cut the stem a bit as it is too long. To attach the bunny and make it more stable, I will cut a bit on the sides using a hot knife. I will attach the bunny to the wreath using a good amount of hot glue. Next, I will make a nice bow using wire, then I will glue it to the wreath. You will see me using some smaller ribbon, but I removed it because I didn't like how it was coming together. For better stability, I will use hot glue and wire to attach the greenery to the carrot. Finally, we attach the bow to the carrot and we're done. Here is the final reveal. Let me know what you think of these DIYs in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And see you until the next one.